Hello everyone, welcome back to the revision station. Today I'm going to show you the top 10 most common mistakes that non-native speakers make in English. If you also make some of these mistakes, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to correct them. Okay, let's go. For regular past simple verbs, we need to add ed. There are three sounds, t, d, and id. If the verb ends in t or d, we pronounce the ed as id. Wanted, needed. Verbs that end in p, k, f, s, sh, and ch have a t sound. Stopped, washed, laughed, watched. And verbs that end in b, g, v, z, m, n, l, r or vowels have a d sound. Played, cleaned, loved, answered. In spoken English, we often use going to or the present continuous. Let's have a look at these three examples next. For tells us how long something has been. It tells us the duration. Since tells us the starting point, when something started. Let's look at some examples. We use make when it's something we create, produce, or cause. We use do when we perform a task, an activity, or a job. In English, we are an age. We don't have an age. In English, we have four main past tenses. We also have the present perfect, which is a bridge between the past and the present. So it's quite easy to get confused. In general, some is used for positive sentences, while any is used for negative ones and questions. Let's have a look. Do these sentences make sense to you? How can we improve them? Asking questions can be quite difficult in English because we have so many ways to do it. But there's one thing you do need to remember, and that's that we often change the word order. So let's have a look at some examples. The one thing that so many people forget is that in the present simple, the third person, you must always add an S. Awesome work, everyone! How many mistakes do you make? Tell us below. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos from the Revision Station. Okay, bye-bye.